Hello everyone. Let us start with a new topic of class 11th business studies, business nature and purpose. In previous video we understood the human activities. Human activities are classified into two categories: economic activities and non-economic activities. And economic activities are classified into three categories: business, profession and employment. And the business activities are classified into two categories: industry and commerce. So let us start the meaning of industry. What is industry? Industry means where the raw material converted into finished product is called the industry. And industry produces two types of goods: consumer goods or producer goods. Consumer goods are produced for consumer. For example, scooter, edible oils, breads and jams are the examples of consumer goods. And producer goods are production of other goods are known as producer goods, like different types of surgical equipments, blades, machines, tools. These are produced by the steel factory. So it is the producer goods. Both goods are manufactured in industries. So let us move to the next topic, features of industry. What is the features of industry? The first point is creation of utility. Utility means to useful of a product, and creation of utility means where the changing raw material to make them more useful. It is a creation of utility. For example, converting of a clay into a pot, making furniture out of wood, tires out of rubber. These are the example of creation of utility, where the form of a thing is changed to create utility. So next one is main process. Industry is the main activity of business. Without industry, no business could be performed. And this is also called an economic activities. Why it is also called an economic activities? Because industry's activities also done for earning money. So it is important for business and it is a main process. Next one is to make sellable. Sellable items are suitable for selling or capable of being sold. Sellable means where the finished product for ready to sell in the market. And in sellable we can include several process, like first is production or a produce, second is packaged, third is marketed, fourth is delivered and last one is bought. So first to last process we can include it in a sellable. And industries are make sellable goods, consumer goods or a producer goods. Next one is both art and science. In industry, production is under done certain rules, so we can say that it is a science. And selling of product is called an art. For example, food industry make foods and buy under the rules and regulations, according to the taste, according to the needs. Okay, and art means when food industries sell these goods by the Swiggy and Zomato, that is the art of selling. So in industry we can include both art and science. Last one is change in raw material. In industry, raw material is brought in sellable condition or as manufactured goods. Means different types of industries. Some industries purchase the raw material and these industries sold to the other industries where the raw material converted into finished goods. So, for example, to make sugar from sugarcane, cloths from cotton, and wood from trees, honey from bees' nest, minerals from mines. So, many industries produced a large quantity of raw material like farmer and mines are other sources, and they supply to many other industries which is make to sellable goods. These are the features of industry. Now let us understand the meaning of commerce. In commerce, we can include a trade and auxiliaries to trade. Trade means where the buying and selling of goods against certain prices or money. It is called a trade. Means when you go to shop, purchased some goods and paid money. This transaction is included under trade. And what is the auxiliaries of trade? Auxiliaries of trade means these activities which is helpful in the conduct and performing and development of trade with the help of various other services like banking, warehousing, transporting, marketing, communicating, and insurance. We can include all services in auxiliaries to trade which is helpful to the flourish of business activities. So, I end up this topic with the meaning of industries, features of industries, and commerce, trade and auxiliaries to trade. Thank you.